How to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to a spam problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose. If you are seeing the error, this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam when trying to set up WhatsApp on your phone. This means your number has been banned for violating WhatsApp terms. So in this video, I'll explain why this happens and how to fix it. So why you got banned? Your number may be banned because of violating WhatsApp terms of services, using third-party WhatsApp application, and sending too many messages or spam. So in order to fix this, you simply need to follow the simple methods. First thing first, you can easily try reinstalling WhatsApp. Simply navigate to Google Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. Now you need to tap on WhatsApp Messenger, select the uninstall button and tap uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp and try logging in again. The second method is simply you can contact WhatsApp support. For that, launch any web browser, suppose Google Chrome. Tap search bar at top of your screen and type in whatsapp.com. And press enter on your keyboard, or simply you can search for this website. Once you land on the official interface, select the three-line icon at top left corner and tap on Help Center. And then you simply need to look for the WhatsApp Messenger support and enter your phone number, email, and device type and explain that you were banned by mistake. So you can easily type in, "Hi WhatsApp team, my number was banned by mistake. Could you please review and restore my access and thanks." After that, you need to submit the request and wait for WhatsApp response via email. So to avoid the future bans, always follow WhatsApp rules and avoid third-party application. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.